Hello, welcome back to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So today I'll be talking about how to unsubscribe from any subscription that you've made on your Vodafone SIM. So if you realize there have been some deduction of airtime on your phone and you don't know why, then this video is for you. So first of all, open your dialer and dial *463#. So with this code, you'll be able to know the subscription that you've made on your SIM. So you select my subscription. And you'll be given a list. So in here, you'll be given a list of the subscription that you've made. So realize in here, these are the subscription that I've made. And I am being deducted on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. It depends. So if you realize there is a list of subscription in your list that you are not aware, then you can unsubscribe. So you just have to select the one that you want to subscribe. So in here, the first one, and you just select the unsubscribe too. You can also check the price if you want to. So just select the second one, unsubscribe. You confirm. So that's it. So this the procedure to follow to unsubscribe from any subscription that you've made on your Vodafone Ghana SIM. If you're also an MTN user, there's a video also in the channel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you love this video and hit the bell icon. And see you next time.